Hello beauties, welcome again to When the Styles. Today I have some natural haircuts that make you look beautiful, and it's a hairstyle that gradually gets shorter as it goes down the back of the neck and behind the ear. This haircut is what I call the tapered short black haircut, and it's incredibly chic and hassle-free haircut, like when it comes to upkeep. So you always get excited once you learn how crazy versatile this natural hairstyle, or let's say haircut, is. So with your lengthy hair on top, locks and nails are just two things you can do to your mane, and your clean it apart haircut can really serve as a canvas for that cool girl shaped design. So one thing with this haircut is that sometimes you can rock it in different colors, you can rock it in different forms, with or without bangs or crochets or even the twist out. This haircut, is that haircut that will make you look beautiful, because it's haircut that we got from this Tapa Queen, Karen's signals, who feed showing her award, this award-winning creations. So products and the varieties are just the key to always rocking edgy black short haircuts. So moisturizing and hold product follows serious strands, and we always let your style look so beautiful and gorgeous. So this is a haircut I just want you guys to watch maybe before your next hair appointment, because you will need to go to the salon or your barber to always have the sides shaving and leaving the top, because if you can do it yourself at home, I would advise you to go to the barber. So before your next hair appointment, apart from using the product, you can try yourself, even maybe after visiting the salon. Once you have the MIELLE kits or the coil saws, or you have the dogs, or you have the kings and coils, using those leave-in conditioners and these products can help you to achieve the beautiful coils, like the twist out using your finger or trying to use the comb. They can always help you to do them right at home. All you have to do, have those sides shaved, then it should be shorter, then leaving a longer hair on top. It will make it look bold and it will make it look natural. So just go for this beautiful haircut. You can see the designs are limitless, and it's a perfect haircut for women that are living a more free-spirited life, women that can embrace the natural coils with volume at the front and center. Just achieve this fun short haircuts for black women, by always asking your barber if you can do it yourself to freestyle different design on the sides and back. I love this haircut. It's so beautiful. It's so gorgeous. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind in the comment section below. God bless you guys. Stay locked to When the Styles for more